Aluminum is a very versatile material, high strength to weight ratio, flexibility in terms of creating different shapes, its end-of-life recyclability. All these properties make aluminum an attractive choice for commercial framing system. In fact, more than 90% of commercial framing systems use aluminum-based framing. And architects can also have a range of aesthetic finish on these aluminum to be creative in terms of the design they want to create with their facade. Keeping all these factors in mind, aluminum is an attractive material of choice for architects to use in their building. So aluminum's production is very interesting. It is energy intensive, so aluminum uses electricity in its production, and the source of electricity can change the carbon footprint of aluminum. So if you have an aluminum smelter and is using electricity from a coal-fired power plant, you would have very high carbon emission associated with it. While if you have a primary aluminum smelter, which is getting electricity from a hydroelectric or clean energy sourced power plant, its carbon emission would be much lower. And also, when you recycle aluminum, keep in mind, aluminum is fully recyclable. So when you recycle aluminum, it uses 95% less energy compared to a primary aluminum production. So when you look at the overall spectrum of what could be the carbon footprint of aluminum, it varies all the way from 0.3 ton of carbon per ton of aluminum all the way to 25 ton of carbon per ton of aluminum. You can download one pager from our website which guides you on the language around the low carbon aluminum billet to add into the project specification.